I've been acting too rude. 이랬다 저랬다 no rule. 변한 attitude.
Where are you from? I mean, you live in USA, maybe?
I'm in the US.
So I have a question if you don't mind. Can I?
Mm-hmm.
What do Oh,
Hmm?
oh my god. Are you AI?
No.
Why are you so much beautiful?
I don't know.
I can't stop my eyes. What should I do?
I don't know.
Okay, hold on, hold on. It's really fantastic. What do you do? I mean, what's your profession? You're a student?
Hmm?
What do you do for a living?
Like mostly do live streams, make videos, and then my real job is a banquet captain.
Whoa. You make video. What type of video you making?
One second.
Okay.
I've been acting too rude. 이랬다 저랬다 no rule. 변한 attitude.
Oh, you can dance also. You are multi-talented.
Just a bunch of random stuff.
You make video in TikTok?
Hmm.
Oh, you are very popular on TikTok.
No.
But you making video for fun.
Hmm.
That's great. Okay, I will follow you. We can be a friend if you don't mind.
Okay.
Say something about your state.
Hmm?
Say something about your country right now situation.
Well, America, we already know what that is. But where I was born, it was very nice.
Mm-hmm.
Especially in the spring, it was like beautiful. Because I am from Germany, so but the good looks is probably because I'm part Japanese as well. So
You are from Germany, but you live in USA.
mhm.
You live in you born in USA or German?
Germany, I was born in. USA, I'm in.
Your whole family live in USA right now, and you live with your family.
Only one family member.
Only one.
Mm-hmm.
You don't have parent.
I have one parent.
You don't have sibling. You miss your brother or sister. If you think I have brother or sister, it's good for you.
I don't know.